Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials so you can act immediately. Check server responses and recent error logs to find failing endpoints. This tells you whether the problem is server-side or client-side. Once done, verify DNS and SSL to rule out certificate or routing issues, and use browser dev tools to inspect network timing and console errors. These steps give you a prioritized list of failures, so you can decide whether to repair config, code, or assets next. Now you move into corrective actions focused on backend and static assets. Restart services and confirm environment variables so applications load correct configs. This often resolves transient issues. If a deployment introduced errors, roll back or apply targeted patches and run database migrations to align schemas. Simultaneously, optimize and restore static assets, compress images, combine JS/CSS, and correct 404 or CORS problems. Finish by verifying the fix in a controlled environment before touching production. Deploy to staging and run your full test suite plus key user flows so you confirm the issue is resolved end-to-end. Once deployed, monitor logs and metrics for 15 to 30 minutes to catch lingering regressions. Make sure rollback procedures are ready in case something fails. If problems persist, check upstream proxies or load balancers for stale caching or misrouted traffic. Those often mask fixes and require config refreshes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.